Hi there, I'm James Sawyer, a channel solutions consultant at LastPass, and today we're going to take a look at SSO app setup and publishing. So we've really simplified the process down to two easy to follow steps. You can deploy apps to users based off of groups or roles, and you'll see how simple and easy it is within the portal that I'm sure that you're going to want to be offering this as your SSO platform of choice. Let's get started. So here we have the end user portal, and you'll note that any of the SSO applications that you've set up and assigned to your specific users will show up in its own category called apps assigned to me. Alternatively as well, they can click on cloud apps and it will bring them to a page that lists all of the available applications that have been made available to them specifically. So as you can see, I have only 4 applications currently assigned to this user. Now, if I wanted to assign more apps to them, or perhaps add a new SSO app, it's quick and easy. I would just go to the LastPass admin console and go to the applications tab. And from here, if there's already apps listed, if you've created any, you could just click into and edit a user, save and edit users. And from here, add any specific users you want, or you could add specific groups or roles. So if I wanted to assign here, you could go to a group or a specific role, check off whichever one that you want, and then everyone that's a member of that group or has that specific role will have access to those applications in their list. Now, say you wanted to add a new app. Again, like I said, only 2 real steps. When you click your add app, first of all, if it's an existing app, one of the over 1,200 that we have available in our database, you could just click from here and choose from the drop down the application that you want, and then just follow the wizard steps when you click continue to get the information that you need to plug into the application. This is all RID provider information, so you would be able to just copy paste that data into the other provider. And then of course there may be something that we need, like the assertion consumer service URL, so you could plug that in here. Now, if you are using our advanced MFA, you can always require LastPass MFA upon login of that application as well. And I'll show you kind of how that works on one of my existing apps a little bit further in the demo. But as you can see, 2 simple steps, and in some cases there are advanced settings. So if there are advanced specifics that you need to put in, or a specific signature method, that can be checked off as well. So if you're creating your own custom app, you might want to plug that stuff in. And we support any application that uses SAML. So as long as the application is using that protocol, you should have no problem adding the application in here. So let's show you how it kind of works for an end user that has access to this application. So we'll go back to my end user. We can see here that I have a Cisco Meraki put into place. So if I were to click on the link and launch it, now keep in mind I said earlier we were talking about that advanced MFA add-on. In order to access it, when I click on launch, it's going to prompt me to authenticate with my LastPass authenticator. So I will click apply and then use my thumbprint to authenticate that it's really me, and then it will automatically sign me in. So again, no password entry necessary. I click on the app, I logged in, and because it's a Meraki server, wanted that additional layer of security, we added the MFA on top of that. In closing, you've seen how quick and easy it is to add SSO apps and assign it to your users based on either groups or roles, and that there's only really 2 steps that need to be taken in order to accomplish it. So hopefully this has given you the information you need to move forward with your SSO deployment. Again, I'm James Sawyer. Thanks for watching.